Hi.
This is the next video. Now I'm listening to Zoing stream.
No.
Anyways, in the same time I am doing a video and I'm listening to Zoing stream. So let's play Exasperation. Zoing has the world record, so let's pass him to this level because as a player I have passed him. Oh wait, I've got no damage. Okay. Restart. Replay. The music is not brain rot. Yeah, no. Just speak, brah. Just. Anyways. Broski, skibidi Lewandowski. This level is long. Okay. I don't know what to talk about. Just talk for something. I don't know. Just talk for something. Just say something, bruh. This is like a just part or what is this 9 circles level, which was impossible, but I beat it. What is this? I don't remember it. Oh my god.
Bro, what is it?
Yeah, it's a bit brain rot. It's a bit. God, I don't know. Sigma, man. Oh, wow. Okay, I passed the straight fly.
Ooh.
Straight fly.
Ooh.
I'm a pro.
Ooh.
Bro, what is this slide thing?
Bruh. No
Come on.
No way.
I almost died, but okay, yes, I got it. I'm fine. Bro, what is this music like? What is level, bro? How I get so straight? What the heck, bro? What the heck? I'm a gangster, don't you get it? What? It's like a so long level. I don't wanna die.
Bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, bro. It's like.
This is brain.
Come on, okay. This is a bit easy part. I don't know why am I holding at this part. I'm listening to Zoing right now. I'm just holding at this part, but at the next part, okay. Bro, look at the music.
Yeah.
Listen at this.
What the fuck?
What is this level? This is like brain rot, guys. This is brain rot, skibidi Riesler, skibidi Gat level.
Bruh.
Skibidi Lewandowski. Skibidi Mbappe. My way from. What does this song say? No! Oh, 69%. Wait a minute. I wanna see how did Zoing at this. Let's go to Zoing.
Okay.
Wait. Got it. No! It's 67. Oh, yeah. I've got the world record. Okay, let's go again.
No, again.
Practice this. Let's practice a bit.
What? Why?
IDK. I'm not pretty good, right? But anyways. Boop. Where is that music? Boop, 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 boop. Okay. What? What happened? Ah! Ah! This is a bad checkpoint. And this... Ah!
What are you doing?
Okay, cool. This was a good checkpoint. But the other one was bad. This is like limbo.
Yeah.
But it's
9%.
like not decorated. Ah! Come on! I've got a straight fly a lot. Yes! Okay, I passed this. Yes, I passed the remember part. Cool. When are just F blocks? Okay, maybe it's not from 2.2, I'm not sure, so yeah. Should I try to beat Formosa? No, it's so hard, I can't. Okay.
What is this music, bro?
It's a bit... Don't you get it? Shit! Yes! Come on! Shit, guys! Shit! Delete this checkpoint. Fuck it off. Okay, yes.
What is
Come on, yeah, first try. This is a bit easier than the other part, but this is a bit... wow. But it's like just blocks, so... there are just some blocks at this, so... Look at the music. Okay, this is just easy because there are blocks. As you can see, because it's practice mode. This is a bit difficult.
Bro.
Okay, cool. Donkey Jeff. Shit!
Shit.
Shit! Frick it out! Oh! Jump! No! No! Shit, guys. This is what I don't like with practice mode. Because you don't just see that you're set, so yeah. You know. Oh! I think Zoing is playing Call of Duty or something. But I am playing GD. Okay, I play Call of Duty, I play Fortnite, I play GTA, I play Roblox, I play Fall Guys, I play Minecraft, I play Among Us. But the best of all is Geometry Dash.
No.
Yeah, and I'm holding again. I don't know. I don't know why. I'm just holding and holding. I just don't know why.
Okay.
Just okay. I stopped holding, of course. The best music of all, guys. Yeah. Of course. Yeah. And then there's that. What is he saying? Oh, where? Or
I do this.
No, again at 69.
What the fuck is that?
Wait. Yes. 70. Come on, I'm gonna beat it in practice mode.
Bruh.
What, bro? Practice mode is good. I like it. But I don't like the thing with bad checkpoints. Why you move? But it's like a machine. Shit. Okay, this part is a bit difficult, I think. Shit, guys.
Okay.
Okay, just blocks. Just blocks, blocks, blocks.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Zoe is doing a live right now.
Yeah.
Let's join it. Oh, 90%. Shit, guys. 90%. 92. If I die now. Okay, 96%. Come on, if I die now. 99. Okay. At least I beat it with practice mode, guys. GG. I did a world record and I beat it with practice mode. No, world record is 67 to 100. But anyways, okay, let's kill someone. Yeah, nope. Oh, come on. Yeah. I want just a cube, a cube, a cube, a cube. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.